In this video, I'll show you how to transfer data from your old phone to your Redmi 15C. Now, first things first, ensure that the Mi Mover application has been installed on both devices. Now, for Redmi phones, they come pre-installed. So on your Redmi 15C, simply find the System Apps folder, tap on it, and find the Mi Mover application and launch it. On your Android phone, ensure that you have installed it. So for me, this is a Redmi 14. Note 14, and it also has the Mi Mover application installed. So just launch the application, and then from here on your old phone, simply tap on old and then confirm your identity. And then on the new phone, on your Redmi 15C, simply tap on new and then choose the old device model. So for me, I'm using Redmi, so I can select Xiaomi and Redmi. Or if you have any other Android phone, you can simply tap on Android. So I'll just tap on Xiaomi to proceed, and then allow any permissions that might be required. And then give it a few seconds to be discovered. Now, once your Redmi 15C has been discovered, simply tap on it, and then you try to connect to your phone, as you can see. So give it a few seconds to establish the connection. And then from here, on your old phone, choose things that you'd like to transfer to your new phone. So let's say, for instance, I have my images. There's images, message, contacts, and other things. There's audio, there's system app data, and third-party application. Now let me just choose third-party and system app data. So I'll just select these two only, and then tap on next. And then you should see this important information. So do not turn off or switch while on hotspot, and your device might get hot. So check those options, tap on send. And now the old data will be transferred from your old phone to your Redmi 15C. Now let's wait for around 22 minutes for the process to complete. Now once done, you should see the done option. Sorry, I tapped it quickly. So you can tap on done, and now all the data will be successfully transferred from your old phone to your new phone. So let's just wait on the other side to complete. Now once it's done, you should see this option. You're all set. So tap on done, and now you should see all the applications that were in this phone. They're here. So, and also there's gadgets or the widgets, they're on from this side to this side. So that's basically it on how to transfer your old data from your old phone to your new Redmi 15C. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.